reveal of the 2026 Caterpillar pickup is one of those moments where the automotive world pauses and takes notice. For decades, Caterpillar has been a name associated with earthmovers, construction equipment, and industrial machines built to survive the harshest environments on the planet. Now, the company has taken that heritage and poured it into a pickup truck designed not just to compete, but to redefine what a heavy-duty truck can be. This isn't a simple upgrade of existing technology. This is a ground-up creation from a brand that understands durability at an entirely different level. Today we are exploring every detail of this machine and finding out whether the 2026 Caterpillar pickup is truly as groundbreaking as its presence suggests. Right from the first glance, the truck shows its personality. It stands tall, wide, and unapologetically muscular, almost like a downsized industrial loader. Every surface, every line, every angle looks functional rather than decorative. The front fascia is dominated by reinforced steel grille inspired by Caterpillar's heavy machinery cooling systems. It doesn't just look tough. It is engineered to handle airflow under extreme conditions, whether that means pulling a loaded trailer up a steep incline or crawling slowly through dusty job site terrain. The LED lighting system is tucked deep inside armored housings with thick protective rims, making them highly resistant to stone chips, tool impacts, or low-speed collisions that would normally damage a consumer truck. The body panels are constructed from a hybrid stainless steel alloy similar to what Caterpillar uses in mid-range excavators. This material offers exceptional resistance against bending, corrosion, and repeated stress cycles. Instead of decorative creases, the design uses structural ridges that provide added rigidity. The wheel arches are oversized and reinforced, wrapping around massive all-terrain tires designed specifically for this truck. These tires feature stone-ejecting channels and a dual compound rubber mix that balances highway comfort with industrial-level toughness. Even the door handles are steel-framed and designed to be opened while wearing thick work gloves. Underneath the rugged exterior sits one of the most interesting powertrains in the pickup world. Caterpillar has chosen a hybrid diesel system built around a 5.4-liter turbocharged diesel engine paired with a high-torque electric motor. The combustion engine alone produces over 500 horsepower and an incredible amount of torque. Add the electric motor into the mix and the combined torque output becomes something rarely seen in a consumer pickup. Power delivery is instant, steady, and strong, especially at low RPM. This makes towing smoother, hauling easier, and off-road crawling far more controlled. The hybrid system isn't designed for silent city commutes but for maximizing efficiency when the truck is working under heavy load. In simple terms, the harder the truck works, the more the hybrid system shines. Towing capability is one of the headline features of this pickup. With a towing capacity exceeding 23,000 pounds, it moves into a category usually reserved for specialized commercial trucks. But what makes this towing performance even more impressive is how stable the truck remains, thanks to the electric motor's ability to deliver instantaneous torque without lag. The trailer sway control system works together with torque vectoring to keep everything balanced, even when moving over uneven ground or dealing with high crosswinds. Hauling heavy equipment, transporting material trailers, or pulling machinery becomes a task this truck handles effortlessly. The bed of the truck deserves a spotlight of its own. Instead of a typical spray-in liner, Caterpillar has equipped the bed with its industrial-grade CAT Guard composite coating. This material is resistant to scratches, rust, chemical spills, gouges, and even welding sparks. The bed can take repeated impacts from sharp tools, steel pipes, concrete blocks, and heavy machinery parts without showing noticeable damage. Multiple tie-down anchors mounted directly to the chassis allow for secure fastening of equipment and materials. The payload capacity goes beyond 5,000 pounds, meaning the truck can carry loads that many pickups could only dream of. Moving to the cabin, the interior takes a different path than other premium trucks. Caterpillar isn't trying to create a luxury lounge. Instead, the cabin balances comfort with rugged practicality. Surfaces are built from industrial-grade materials that resist scratches, cuts, and chemical exposure. The seats are reinforced with heavy-duty stitching and waterproof padding, ideal for people who work in rough environments. The floor uses a rubber composite designed to withstand mud, dirt, oil, and even small metal debris. But this resilience doesn't come at the expense of modern technology. The centerpiece of the interior is the command center interface. This digital system is inspired by Caterpillar's operator cabins in heavy machinery and gives the driver access to real-time data that goes far deeper than traditional automotive systems. Beyond typical information like speed and navigation, the interface displays torque distribution, engine load levels, hybrid energy flow, suspension stability, and load weight estimation. This information is invaluable for operators who need precise control over their vehicle while towing or transporting heavy materials. The system also supports wireless connectivity, smartphone integration, and voice control for hands-free operation. The driving experience is where the pickup truly stands out. Despite its massive size and industrial personality, it feels surprisingly composed on the road. The suspension system uses a hydraulically adaptive design based on Caterpillar's equipment stabilization technology. It automatically adjusts stiffness and damping depending on load weight and terrain conditions. On a smooth highway, it softens to provide a comfortable ride. On rocky ground or uneven paths, it stiffens to keep the vehicle stable and grounded. This gives drivers the confidence to take the truck into places where normal pickups would hesitate. Off-road capability is another area where this vehicle excels. With over 16 inches of ground clearance, reinforced skid plates, locking differentials, and a water-fording depth that approaches industrial machine levels, the truck can move through mud, sand, rocks, and flooded areas with ease. The electric motor helps during low-speed maneuvers by providing exact torque control, making it easier to climb over obstacles without wheel spin. Four-wheel steering adds an extra layer of maneuverability, allowing the truck to navigate tight corners or narrow paths that would normally challenge a vehicle of this size. One aspect Caterpillar takes extremely seriously is reliability. Heavy-duty equipment often runs for thousands of hours in brutal conditions, and this same philosophy guides the design of the pickup. Components are over-engineered to handle heat, vibration, weight stress, and environmental exposure far beyond automotive norms. Many systems are modular, making repairs straightforward and upgrades easier for long-term users. This is a truck built for decades of dependable service, not just a few years of consumer driving. In terms of safety, the truck is equipped with reinforced rollover protection, impact-resistant cabin architecture, and a suite of sensors designed to operate in dusty, muddy, or visually obstructed conditions. The advanced collision avoidance system uses radar and lidar tuned for job site environments where obstacles might be small, metallic, or partially hidden. The predictive load management system adjusts performance in real time based on weight distribution, tire traction, and trailer alignment, offering a level of control that sets a new standard in the heavy-duty truck segment. Design elements throughout the vehicle celebrate Caterpillar's industrial identity. Exposed bolts, functional metal plating, oversized tow hooks, and signature black and yellow color accents create an aesthetic that is raw, authentic, and unmistakably Cat. This is not a truck trying to look luxurious or sleek. It is designed to look capable, dependable, and ready for work. Every inch of it feels intentional, rugged, and purpose-driven. What sets the 2026 Caterpillar pickup apart more than anything else is its authenticity. It is not a traditional automaker trying to imitate industrial toughness. It is an industrial titan bringing its real expertise into the automotive world. This truck is made for professionals who need a vehicle to perform demanding tasks day after day. It is for ranchers, builders, engineers, off-road explorers, and anyone whose lifestyle involves heavy lifting, tough terrain, and long-term reliability. Yet at the same time, it appeals to everyday truck enthusiasts who simply want a machine that feels strong, commanding, and truly different from anything else on the market. In a world filled with trucks marketed as rugged but built with compromises, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup stands out as the real deal. It merges industrial-grade engineering with modern automotive comfort. It pushes the boundaries of towing, hauling, and durability. It offers technology that empowers the driver with more information and control than ever before. And most importantly, it brings the legendary Caterpillar spirit to a form factor millions of people can finally drive. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup isn't just another new truck. It is a bold new entry from a brand with unmatched heritage in toughness. It challenges the expectations of what a pickup should be and sets a new benchmark for strength, utility, and real-world capability. Whether you need a workhorse for the toughest jobs or a machine that stands above the rest, this Caterpillar pickup is built to deliver far more than just performance. It is built to deliver